Located within the exclusive Tucan Country Club residential complex, Forest Towers is strategically located at the highest point of Cocoli, offering its owners incomparable views of the Panama Canal, the city, and the forest reserve. Welcome to this very cute 3-bedroom apartment in Tucan Country Club in Forest Tower, Tower B. Okay, let's get to the apartment. Big kitchen with your laundry space and a really nice maid room. This is a 133 square meter apartment. You can see high ceilings for an apartment that's very rare. Enough living space, living room, dining room, and the cute balcony overlooking the pool area. Oof, it's quite sunny. Now let's explore the bedrooms. First bedroom over here. I really love these bedrooms because you get all the light and it just makes it feel alive. Over here, enough storage, and the bathroom that it has 2 doors to share with the second bedroom over here. But let's go to the master bedroom because it's the most spacious. And again, I must point out the light with the view, with the green, with the city, with the canal, with the golf course. Here, bathroom. And then let's go to the last bedroom. It's a very cute kid's bedroom right here. Love the double glazed windows. I really love the half moon arches on top. They give it a really nice finished look. An apartment like this goes for around 315K, 330. We can negotiate it just for you. So if you have any questions, please contact us to find your perfect home. Now let's explore the amenities. It has a beautiful swimming pool with a gazebo for barbecues, perfect for sunny days and family time. You also get a fully equipped gym with beautiful views of the forest. You get access to the golf course from your home, and you have a kids' play for the little ones. This beautiful project gives you the opportunity to live surrounded by green areas and with all the facilities just a few steps from your home. If you would like more information, don't hesitate to contact us at My Second Option.